This is the best Windows 11 settings for gaming to get high FPS and have no delay. First of all, go to the startup, go to the settings, go to the system, go to the notifications and turn off notifications. Next, we need to go to the storage, here it is, and storage sense, turn it off for the best performance. Next, right control panel, go to the sound, but if you have by categories, go to the hardware and sound. Now here you will go to the communications and you will press do nothing. Now go to your microphone, right click, properties, and go to listen and disable automatically to save power. Okay. And you can turn off this. Now you will write down here run and here you will write temp. And here you will see every cache file and it just makes your PC slower. Ctrl A and Shift delete. Yes, do not for all current items and skip. Now we will do the same, run, but instead of temp we will write percentage, temp, percentage, and same process for this. Ctrl A, Shift delete, yes. Do this to all current items, skip, and that is it. And once more run, but prefetch. Go to continue, and right here same process. Ctrl A, Shift delete, yes. Now get back to the Windows settings, go to gaming and game bar, turn it off because it eats your FPS. And now for the game mode, it gives me more FPS when I turn it on. Now you can test how much FPS you are getting when you turn it off and how much FPS you get when you turn it on. So I should recommend you to test it. Does it boost your FPS or does it make your FPS lower? For the 90% of people I ask, they are saying that this is getting more FPS. So I will recommend you to test. Now go to the apps and go to startup apps. Here you will turn off every application you don't need. On startup, don't turn off antivirus and don't turn off something like your graphic card drivers and something you need. I recommend you to turn off high impact applications. Now we are going to the privacy and security and go to the recommendations or offers. Maybe it will be written general, so go here. And everything here, turn all this off. Now go back to the privacy and security and go to speech. Online speech recognition, turn this off. Let's get back. Go to the diagnostics and feedback and also turn this off. Now go to the app permissions and here you'll have a lot of options here. So we will turn off everything we don't need, we don't use, and it's making PC slower. Go to the location and turn off location. Next, go to the camera and turn off camera only if you don't using it. Next, go to the notifications and turn off notifications so you don't have annoying pop-ups recommendation on PC startup. Next, go to the account info, turn off account info. Next, go to the contacts and turn off contacts. Next, go to the calendar, turn off calendar. Next, go to the phone calls and turn off phone calls. I just wonder, nobody is using phone calls. Only big companies using phone calls on PC. And your home PC is not company PC. It's your personal PC for gaming. Or maybe for office. Next, go to the call history and turn off call history. Next, go to the email and turn off email. Next, go to the tasks and turn off tasks. Next, go to the messaging and turn off messaging. Next, go to the radius and turn off radius. I use Spotify, so I don't need radio. And other devices, turn this off also. And for the last feature, app diagnostics, turn this off. And we're finished with privacy and security. Now go to the accessibility, find mouse, go again mouse, go to the additional mouse settings, pointer options, and disable enhance pointer precision. Apply, OK. Now we're finished with Windows settings. Now search for CMD and run CMD as administrator. Here we will write two commands I will put you in the description of this video. This is the first command. This command is checking your PC health. Now next command, sfc /scan now. And this command is here to verify your files, to check if there is some errors. Now go to the power plan, in search write power plan. And here go to the advanced power settings and go to the higher performance. Now on the search write adjust the appearance and performance of Windows and adjust for the best performance and choose these three options. OK. In search write run and write ms config. Go to the boot, advanced options, and listen. Someone is telling you that best way to boost FPS is to check this and choose the maximum number. But this is wrong. This will just make your PC slower. What you gonna do? Choose one by default, disable this, OK, apply, and restart your PC. Now for the last step, go to this PC and you have your two disks. Right click on your disk, properties, tools, and you will check the drive for file system errors. Go to the check and scan drive. And after it's finished, close it and OK. Also, right click on D drive, properties, tools, and check it also for the system errors. And that's all. If you need more tutorials, be free to write anything in the comments. Now see ya in the next one. Bye.